Have you ever wondered how to make $1 million from scratch? It's a tantalizing question, isn't it? One that might have crossed your mind as you dream of financial freedom. Well, you're not alone. This notion of creating wealth out of seemingly thin air has sparked the curiosity and ambition of many individuals worldwide. The reality is, everyone has the potential to become a millionaire. It's not about having a silver spoon in your mouth or hitting the lottery jackpot. It's about spotting the right opportunities, making smart decisions, and taking calculated risks. It's about harnessing that entrepreneurial spirit that resides in each of us and using it as a catalyst to drive our financial success. So, whether you're starting with a single dollar or absolutely nothing at all, the journey to that seven-figure milestone is possible. Today, we'll explore 10 ways you can achieve this financial milestone. Our first method, investing in stocks. The stock market, folks, offers a world of opportunities. It's a place where you can buy a piece of a company and share in its success. But it's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the market trends, the company you're investing in, and the overall economic conditions. Investing in stocks requires you to do your homework. You've got to research the companies you're interested in, understand their financial health, their business model, and their growth potential. It's also important to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and companies. This way, you spread the risk and increase your chances of success. Remember, investing in stocks is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience, discipline, and a dash of bravery. So, investing in stocks, a path worth considering. Second on our list, real estate investment. This strategy is as old as the hills, but don't let that fool you. It's still one of the most reliable paths to wealth. The beauty of real estate is its tangible, appreciating asset that can provide steady cash flow. But what if you're strapped for cash? Here's where real estate investment trusts, or REITs, come into play. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. They allow you to invest in portfolios of real estate assets, the same way you'd invest in a company's stock. This means you can start investing with a much smaller amount than it would take to buy properties outright. So, even if you don't have a wad of cash to drop on a duplex, you can still get a piece of the real estate pie. Real estate investment, another avenue to your first million. Third way to the million, entrepreneurship. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the world of entrepreneurship, the only limit is your imagination. It's about creating something out of nothing, taking an idea, and turning it into a thriving business. But it's not just about having a unique idea. It's about researching, planning, and executing that idea with precision. It's about knowing your market, understanding your competition, and identifying your unique selling proposition. But perhaps most importantly, it's about perseverance. Entrepreneurship is a road filled with challenges and setbacks. It's a journey where failure is not only possible, but likely. But here's the thing. Those who persevere, who learn from their failures and keep going, those are the ones who often find themselves at the top of the million-dollar mountain. Entrepreneurship, the road less traveled, but potentially the most rewarding. Our fourth method, honing high-income skills. Now, you might be wondering, what are high-income skills? Well, they're those skills that are in high demand, but low in supply. They're the skills that can command top dollar in today's market. We're talking about coding, digital marketing, consulting, even copywriting. What's incredible about these skills is that you don't need to invest a fortune to learn them. There are countless online resources, free courses, and books available to help you get started. The key is to never stop learning. The market is a dynamic beast, constantly evolving and changing. To stay relevant, you must adapt and evolve with it. Learn new skills, stay updated with the latest trends, and always be ready to pivot. When you have high-income skills, opportunities come knocking. You become a valuable asset to companies, clients, even your own business. High-income skills, your ticket to financial independence. Halfway there, the fifth way, network marketing. Now, don't be fooled by the misconceptions. Network marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business model that allows individuals to build their own business with a relatively low startup cost. The potential of network marketing is tremendous. It's all about leveraging relationships and connections. The more people you know, the wider your network, and the higher your potential for sales. But remember, the key to success lies in the products or services you're marketing. This is where choosing a reputable company comes into play. You want to associate yourself with a company that offers high-quality products or services that you believe in. You're not just selling, you're recommending. And people trust recommendations from those they know. Building a strong network is crucial. It's about fostering relationships, being genuine, and offering value. It's not easy, but with commitment and determination, it can be a rewarding journey. Network marketing, a challenging but potentially lucrative path. Sixth on our list, franchising. Now here's a path that's paved with potential. A golden opportunity to ride the wave of a successful brand that's already made its mark. You're not starting from scratch, you're building on a foundation that's solid and proven. A business model that's already been tested and tried. Imagine having the power of a recognized brand behind you. There's no need to struggle with brand recognition or customer loyalty, as these are gifts that come with the franchise. It's like you're buying a business starter kit, complete with a customer base and a recipe for success. And the beauty of franchising? It's diverse. From fast food to fitness centers, there's likely a franchise that fits your passion and skills. Think about it, you're not just investing in a business, you're investing in a brand, a reputation, a proven system. Franchising, a safe bet for your first million. Seventh way to the million, online trading. You've likely heard the tales of folks transforming pocket change into fortunes overnight. That's the allure of online trading, where currencies, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies become your pawns in the game of wealth creation. It's a world where the potential for profit is as vast as the internet itself. But tread lightly, my friends. Understanding market volatility is key. It's a dance of numbers where the rhythm can change in a heartbeat. One moment, you're riding the wave of a bullish market. The next, you're struggling to stay afloat in bear territory. Risk management is your life jacket in this ocean of unpredictability. Set your stop losses. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Keep your emotions in check and your decisions grounded in research. Online trading, a high-risk, high-reward path to a million. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those with the courage and the cunning, it might just be the golden ticket. Eighth on our list, patent an idea. Have you ever had a unique idea or invention that you believe could change the world? Well, here's a way to turn that brainchild into a gold mine. Patenting your idea is like planting a seed, allowing it to grow and flourish under your protection. When you patent an idea, you're essentially securing your intellectual property rights. You're saying, this is my creation, and I have the exclusive right to profit from it. It's a powerful declaration, one that can deter copycats and competitors from stealing your concept. But remember, the patenting process can be complex and time-consuming. It requires a clear understanding of your invention's uniqueness and a thorough search to ensure no similar patents exist. It's often recommended to seek professional help from a patent attorney or agent. The beauty of this method is that you're not selling a physical product, but an idea, a concept, a solution. Patenting an idea, your creativity could be worth millions. Ninth way, write a best-selling book. Imagine holding in your hands a book, the cover bearing your name. This isn't just any book, it's a bestseller. Sounds dreamy, right? But it's not just a dream, it's a viable way to earn a million. Writing a book isn't simply about putting words on paper. It's about weaving a compelling story, one that resonates with readers and leaves them yearning for more. It's about crafting characters that are real, situations that are relatable, and a narrative that's unforgettable. But a story alone doesn't guarantee success. Effective marketing is equally crucial. It's about creating a buzz around your book, reaching out to potential readers, and turning the spotlight onto your masterpiece. And above all, it's about perseverance. Writing a book is a journey, often filled with rewrites, edits, and moments of self-doubt. But remember, every word you pen brings you one step closer to your goal. Writing a bestseller, your words could be your path to a million. And finally, our 10th way, create a viral app. The digital landscape is ripe with possibilities, and one of the most exciting ones is app creation. A unique, innovative app idea that solves a problem or fills a need can skyrocket to viral status. But remember, it's not just about the idea, it's about execution. A user-friendly design is key. You want to ensure your app is intuitive, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. This increases your chances of users not only downloading your app, but also using it regularly. And then there's marketing. Even the best app can get lost in the sea of digital offerings without effective marketing. Leveraging social media, influencer partnerships, and targeted advertising can put your app in front of the right eyes and drive downloads. So, put your thinking cap on, brainstorm that million-dollar app idea, and get to work. Creating a viral app, a modern route to your first million. So, there you have it. 10 ways to make $1 million. From the wheeling and dealing of investing in stocks to the strategic acquisition of real estate, we've navigated through a sea of possibilities. We've explored the bold world of entrepreneurship, honed high-income skills, and uncovered the potential of network marketing. We've delved into the lucrative arena of franchising, the fast-paced world of online trading, and the innovative realm of patenting an idea. And let's not forget the creative outlets of writing a best-selling book or creating a viral app. These 10 methods are not just strategies, they're journeys. Each requires dedication, smart decisions, and a bit of risk-taking. They're not for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare to dream big, the rewards can be monumental. Remember, the journey to $1 million starts with a single step. Which path will you choose?